Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you want to change the passcode of your iPad and you don't know how to do it, this video is exactly for you. In this video, we are going to learn that how you can change the passcode of your iPad. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your iPad. You can follow the same steps on your iPhone as well. The method is the same. You need to tap on the settings. From setting, you need to scroll down where you will find Touch ID and passcode. You need to tap on that one. Here you need to enter your current passcode. So I will enter the current passcode here, and then you need to scroll down where you will find the change passcode. You need to tap on that one. Here, enter your current passcode again. And now enter your new passcode. So you need to enter the new passcode and then verify the new passcode again. So once you're done, it will take a bit of loading. So guys, as you can see, the passcode has been changed. So guys, this is all it takes to change the passcode on your iPad or you're using iPhone. You can follow the same steps. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.